category is for Best Indoor Product, ladies and gentlemen. Our finalists are Flush Mount Closet French Door by Murphy Door, Flush Mount Pantry Door by Murphy Door, Halo Direct Mount Slope LED Downlight by Halo, Lumina Cable Wine Display by Genuine Cellars, and Stratus Wave by ViewRail. And the winner is Flush Mount Pantry Door by Murphy Door!
I'm not a man of shorter words, but I don't like talking in front of a whole bunch of people. But thank you so much for stopping and visiting with us. It's been a fun ride that we've taken, and IBS has been an integral part of our growth. So thank you, Andrew Flank, a lot. Thank you, judges, for coming over, and everybody that's visited us. But Murphy Door, we've really looked at doors. Yeah, the hidden doors are cool, but how do we take and optimize our space, limited areas, and how can we create space that is unusable in a house, like a wall? So we came up with our pantry doors and our French doors and our closet doors just to do that. So come check us out if you haven't. Thank you for everybody's support. We really appreciate it. Thank you.